Hello, rising 7th grade. I just wanted to show you how to get to Khan Academy and how to set up your online summer work by the end of next week. So by now, everyone should have gotten an email from me explaining to you that you need to sign up for Khan Academy, you need to create an account. And the way for you to do that is that there should be an email from Khan Academy in your email, Watkinson email account. And it should have instructions for you on how to join Khan Academy and how to be a part of our 7th grade class for next year. So as long as you're part of the class, I won't have any problem keeping track with what work you're doing over the summer, giving you feedback, answering questions, etc. Once you've joined the class and you log on to Khan Academy, you should see a page similar to this. If not, you just want to click on the Learn tab and Dashboard. And Dashboard should, again, bring you back to this page where it says things like the skills up next for you. This might be a good page for you to bookmark on your home computer as your summer math work, and that way you know how to get to it pretty frequently. But what I want to show you is how you're going to add your particular units for your summer assignment. So as you can see, there are some basic units in here, and they all say things like practice. One of them that I have already says you added. That's really good. That's what I want. But if you don't have anything that says you added, you're going to find the skill that you need to add. And there's thousands of skills on this website, but I've already gone through and selected the ones that I want you to work on for the summer. So in your personal letter from the summer, you should have these Khan topic titles. And anything with an X next to it, you're going to add to your summer work. So for example, this particular student has to do divisibility intuition. And I put an X there that says, yes, please complete this topic. So I'm going to type into find a skill, divisibility into, and if you look, it's already popping up. It's right there for me already. So I don't even have to finish typing it. I can just click on it and say add this skill. And now here it is. It's right on my dashboard. So I don't have to go looking for it again in the future. Again, I can do the next skill that I have is least common multiple. So I'm going to click find a skill and start typing least. And here it is, least common multiple. So I just click add, and there's my second skill. So you're going to go through, you're going to add all of the skills that have X's next to them so that for your summer work, you know that all your skills are already available on your dashboard. That way, whenever you log into Khan Academy, you just kind of scroll down and see the skills that you've been working on, see what level you're on, etc. Once it says you added a skill, you can click on it, and it will bring you to basic practice activities. Remember, you want all of your lessons to be up at the mastery level. So let me show you one level right here. This says you can resize this box. What are the factors of 7? Well, the factors of 7 are just 1 and 7. So I'm going to check my answer. Correct. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, and 6. All set. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. What are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Whoops. 20. What are the factors of 14? 1, 2, 7, and 14. What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, and 8. And it will ask you to continue to do these activities until you get 5 questions correct in a row. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. So you really do have to use your brain power and make sure that you're getting the answers correct so that you can move forward. So last one, what are the factors of 9? I hope I get them all. 1, 3, and 9. And I'm all set. So I have gone through this first level, and I'm continuing on to level 2. Now it says needs practice, practice, level 1, level 2, mastered. By the end of the summer, you're going to be at mastered for all those topics that are on your dashboard. For each level, you need to get 5 questions in a row right in order to move on. So if you get 4 in a row right and then you get one wrong, you have to start over again. So I know that sometimes that can be frustrating, but this program really is great for your practice. It's great for you to keep up your memory and build your skills. So just stick with it. If you get to a point where you're frustrated or you're struggling, you can always take a hint, watch a video, or walk away from it and go back to it later on. Again, you want to keep up your practice. You don't want to let things slide. So after a couple weeks, you want to log back in and practice again. Again, it goes through all the skills that I've added. As you can see, least common multiple is still there, but the skill that I just practiced, which was divisibility, is gone. And that's because I've already practiced it for today and I don't need to go back and practice it again. So all your skills rotate in and out depending on how frequently you've practiced them and how strong you are at understanding those skills. Khan Academy is a really great tool for us to use for the summer. It allows me to keep an eye on what you've been working on. I can click on my coach tab at any time and see your particular progress. So I can manage my students. I can see who's signed up already and who hasn't. I can look at your progress based on the day, the time, how much work you've done. I can look at your skill progress, which is really just which skills are you mastering, which ones do you need more practice on, and I can see if you're online right now, what programs you're on, what you're struggling with. There's all sorts of data for me to look at. So over the course of the summer, you might get an email from me that says, hey, I noticed you're struggling with this. Why don't you try this activity, etc. So any questions that you have on Khan Academy, please feel free to touch base with me, send me an email. I'm on my email pretty much all summer long so that you're able to move forward and keep up all of that practice. Okay? Happy summer, guys.